Surah Al-Araf. This is chapter 7 and 172.
Where is Ode, by the way?
172.
172.
This is verse number 172 from chapter 7 of the Holy Quran, Surah Al-Araf. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa iz nataqna al-jabala fawqahum ka'annahu zullatun wa dhannu annahu waqi'un bihim khuzu ma ataynakum biquwwatin wazkuru ma fihi la'allakum tattaqun. The translation is, and when we caused the mountain to lean over them as though it were a canopy, and they thought it was about to fall upon them, we said, hold fast that which we have given you, and remember what is therein, that you may be saved.
I'd like to comment on this verse, and I'd like to know also what is Natakna presents here.
I don't see any question arising out of this. This is very simple and plain verse, which speaks of a state of great earthquake. When the mountains rise high above roads and they are shaken and tilted by earthquakes, they seem to be hanging over the road, sometimes this way and sometimes that way. That causes great fear. I myself experienced the same thing during my hiking tours of the Himalayas. Sometimes, due to an earthquake which occurred at that time, we saw great rocks tilting over your head as though they were about to fall. So similar must have been the incident to which the Holy Quran is referring. When the people of Moses were to be reminded by God of the responsibility of the covenant they had made with Him, God chose such a moment when their hearts will be overawed, and then they will remember that if a mountain can fall and destroy them, what about the wrath of Allah if they do not care for the covenant they keep with Him? So this is the evident meaning of this verse, which I don't think requires any deeper study other than what I have just said.
I was thinking about metaphorical meaning.
Now you understand?
Yes,
Okay.
Jazakallah.